Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Confirm your data type and quality so you know what methods apply. Next, pick a model class, rule-based for precision, statistical for speed, transformer for contextual depth, because that choice shapes preprocessing and compute needs. Once decided, clean text, normalize case, remove obvious noise, and tokenize to expose structure. Make sure to label or sample 110K examples for initial training or validation. This lets you iterate quickly and detect data gaps before heavy compute. Now you build the pipeline. Chain preprocessing, optional augmentation, feature extraction, and the model so data flows predictably. Train with a scheduler and early stopping to avoid overfitting. Save checkpoints for rollback and experimentation. Use batch sizes and learning rates that match your GPU memory, smaller batches, lower LR if unstable. Validate continuously with F1 and ROCAUC. Inspect a confusion matrix and sample outputs to understand errors. Once metrics plateau, freeze features and tune only top layers to conserve resources. To finish, package your model with a lightweight API, enable batching and caching, and set rate limits so the service remains responsive. Deploy with versioning and a canary rollout to reduce blast radius, monitor latency, data drift, and error rates continuously, and log inputs plus predictions for troubleshooting. If performance drops, roll back to the previous version and replay recent logs to reproduce the issue. A key tip: if outputs are erratic, check for tokenization mismatch between training and serving. Fixing that resolves many surprises.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.